We are gearing up for another overnight Storm 5 alert. Now, our main threats tonight are going to be for straight line wind and hail. The wind speeds could be in excess of 60 to 70, even 75 miles per hour. So that is incredibly powerful wind. That's hurricane force. Hail could be as large as 2 inches. So you still have time between now and the evening hours when that cold front comes through. Some action steps you can take. Just make sure you've got a way to get weather information and go ahead and tuck in anything outside your home that's loose. If you have the chance to park your car in a covered spot, that'd be a good bet as well. We do have one severe thunderstorm warning right now. This is activity that's popped up ahead of the main energy we're still waiting on. Think of it like an appetizer. That being said, the storm that's in central Lawrence and Giles County, it is potent. Very efficient hail maker with this one, some gusty wind as well. The red color I mentioned earlier, that's the tornado watch. And a reminder to you, because you'll likely hear me say watch and warning a lot tonight. A watch means watch out. Your action step from that is be prepared. Have a way to get information and know where you'll go if a warning is issued. A warning means act now. Shelter immediately. Go ahead and keep us close, and we'll let you know when we can call the all clear for you. We do have a smattering of storms along I-40. The one severe storm, as I mentioned, is tracking to the east around 30 to 40 miles per hour. It's got a little bit of a southerly component, so this should hop across the border for our neighbors to the south in about an hour. The warning in place right now is until 5:30. The main threat with this is hail, an inch, even an inch and a half, not impossible. Some 60 to 70 mile per hour winds as well. Storm track on this has it in Pulaski right around 526, hopping across the border closer to 6 o'clock tonight. We'll keep an eye on that. We're also watching the storms that have bubbled up along I-40. So on the border from Dixon to Hickman County, very efficient rainmaker. It's not moving very much either. Thankfully, traffic is light, but that would be unpleasant to drive through along I-40. The storm that blossomed across the Wilson-Davidson County border, so this is near Mount Juliet, downtown Nashville's right here. It's drifting more to the east, so it's drifting away from downtown. It's moving along I-40. Lebanon, you are getting pounded with heavy rain at this point. The heaviest rain and hail threat is just south of I-40, just south of the Mount Juliet area. So the hail signature right along the Wilson-Davidson County border here, likely dime-sized hail with that, perhaps up to nickels. What we're waiting on is a cold front that's coming in through northern parts of Illinois and Missouri. And there's a lot of things your eyes might catch as the cluster of storms here and then the scattered activity here. All of that is going to merge together, and that's our overnight storm threat. So these cells that have just popped up near the boot heel of Missouri, they will congeal into one line. The timing on that has it in our northwest counties closer to 9 o'clock at night, near Interstate 65 and through Nashville around the midnight to 1 a.m. time frame. This thing's going to get in and out very quickly. It'll pull out of our area by 4 o'clock in the morning. By the time daybreak comes up, it happens tomorrow, the sun will be up and skies will be clear, and it'll be much, much cooler on the backside of it. Temperatures only in the 60s tomorrow, 50s for Friday. We will have a few showers that try to slide in late Saturday night, and as you're thinking towards your Sunday, your Easter plans, it looks to be very wet that day. Soggy conditions, so plan on some soggy eggs as you hunt around the front and backyard. Carrie?
All right, thank you, Bree.